Three, two, one. Hi, this is Henry Ochoa. I'm the CEO of Equanimity Technologies. I'm here to go over the bullet points from the email and make sure I get all my criteria over to you for my product. The interesting and unique thing about my product right now, there's nothing else on the market. This basically will enable females, typically, across the entire globe to utilize their fingernails at the touch to be able to utilize their touchscreen devices more efficiently and happily as well too. Everybody I've talked to about the product loves it. They can't wait for this to get out on the market so they can actually start utilizing it as quickly as possible. There is currently no patent pending. I just started working on this product about 2 months ago. I'm currently still in the prototype portion of it, and prototypes are actually coming along nicely. For the development and product business, the idea of working prototype business plan, I've got my basics right now with my prototypes and my business plan. Is your product business currently making money? No, not yet, but I expect it to be spectacular and go through the roof. I expect every woman that owns a touchscreen device to want to utilize, and has their nails done regularly, which is typically 12 times a year, to have my product installed on their fingers and be able to utilize their devices that much more efficiently. How does it work? There is a material. We're currently on material right now that we've actually added to the tips of the actual fingers that a nail salon, typical nail salon would utilize, and be able to install those onto people's nails and allow that to work properly. There's some bugs, but we're working those out as well too. What's the market for this? Again, I expect every woman on the planet who utilizes that utilizes their touchscreen phones to want this and or need this effectively and by high demand, just over and over and over. I was out with a friend who just had her nails done, and she had told me that she could not text effectively because her nails were too long. I told her someone should fix that. She goes, yeah, it would be much easier if I were to be able to use the tips of my fingers. Texy tips. There's nothing else on the market right now. Styluses and gloves, and those are way too cumbersome. Right now, I would like 10% of my business to go towards the sharks for $150,000, and with that $150,000 I will sink into research and development, and hopefully within 3 months I will have a completely working set of products. The Texy Tips, the nails actually sold at salons. The Texy Pro, the Pro would be a prosthetics that people would use on their fingertips, such as patients such as chemotherapy and or diabetic patients who have nerve damage or not able to feel their fingertips. This would allow them to utilize their touchscreens much more efficiently. And then also the Texy Tips Pro exclusive that would allow the our friends with larger fingers to be able to utilize this as well too. Again, the biggest challenge so far would be the capital, trying to raise capital at this point. All my family and friends love the product. Thank you for your time, Shark Tank.